Hey guys, so today we have a lot to do. We're gonna mount some over fenders on the dust hall. Carson is trying to stay out of the picture. Maybe put the camber plates on the PS13, and we definitely gonna change up the FRS because ESSEN MOTORSHOW is coming up and this car needs to kill it again. So we got a lot to do because I'm not happy with that yet. And Carson's Polo broke down. I just had to save him. Because no battery, no driving.
Sitz! Sitz! Ja, geil. Ja,
So now I roughly fitted the kit. I'm really not used to using the ABS plastic on these ones, so I roughly fitted it, but now I need to like screw it in somewhere so I have a point to like work the material and but it being fixed somewhere actually. So I'm gonna screw in the tops, 2 screws, and then I try to heat it up and form it the way I think it should work. So basically what I did now was hot air gun the whole fender so it starts to like get like, I don't know, flexible I guess, or formable. So I push it where it needs to go, and basically the front now is basically all good when it comes to fitment, except for the part where the body dips down in here that I gotta completely redo and make myself. So yay me, but the rest is basically done. It's a little wobbly on the whole part where I had to like make the fender basically dip in and come out and whatnot. But I'm gonna take care of that later with sanding and stuff. So basically it was not that bad. We had to heat, I had to heat gun this part a lot to make it fit. But once I got to the top, all the rest basically fell in place and came out like super good on the fitment. Like you wouldn't even need the rubber lining, but we're still gonna use it. Now this year it's gonna be fun because I need to bring that in completely and make like a nice clean finish of the fender down there, and then I gotta move to the front. It has some little slight wobbles, but I'm gonna sand those out. And yeah, it's still a universal flare, but I think it's no excuse to have bad fitment. So after actually heating the shit out of the material, there we go. I push it all the way in, so it's actually nice and snug now with the side skirts and the ditch in the side panel. So it's running all nice and clean all the way down there. Nice. So I was supposed to fit the front fenders, but since Johanna is not here, so she can't really decide right away what I should do and how I should fit it, where the fender should end, where it should start and everything. I sent her a bunch of pictures and it took so long with going back and forth and everything that I called it a night, and I wanted to go home. And then came the spot where then came the moment where I normally would go to my car, get in my car, drive away. Didn't have a key. My dad moved my car, so he took the key home. And I called him, he was like, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm gonna drive back to the shop and get you and give you your keys. So I just take the dealer plates, put them on the Datsun and ride the Datsun home. So taking the Datsun home. See you guys. Okay guys, so after some falls and try and error and everything, I basically found out what I need to fit this kit perfectly. It's a heat gun. This one is my very cheap one because I can't find the good one to vinyl wrap. And this. It's a rubber block for the lift. I use it to push down the material so I don't burn my hands again. That's basically what I use to fit this, plus the drill and the screws. Then what I do is I form the piece where it's actually bolted down on. I form it down so it's on the metal. Then I put the screw in to fix it where it's supposed to be at the end. And then I just heat gun the part in between, which is normally about an inch off on this Fender. I heat it up and press it down on the very edge with this block to actually lay down right on the metal. Works pretty good. Took a while till I found out. First one was really difficult. I tried to form it with my hands. It was getting super wobbly and whatnot. So